Hi everyone, welcome back to the Syntax Writer. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the AutoSum feature in Excel. It's a quick and easy way to add up numbers in your spreadsheet. Let's get started. To use AutoSum, first select the cell where you want the total to appear. In this case, we'll select the cell right below the column of numbers. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and look for the AutoSum button, which looks like a Greek letter sigma. Click the AutoSum button and Excel will automatically create a formula to sum the numbers in the column above. Press Enter to apply the formula. And there you have it. Excel has calculated the total for you in just a few clicks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Syntax Writer for more Excel tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy learning.